Students, let's revise our maths chapter number 10, tens and hundreds. Now we will learn to read decimal points. Just read this number. Yes, we can read it as 2.7. If you want to read this number, then you can read it as 23.259. Just read another number, as another number is 63.0279. Let's read out the last number, and our last number is 24.2507. Students, here are some numbers written in words. Now we have to write all these numbers in figures. Students, just write these numbers in figures. First number is 58.63. Just write 58, then put point and then write as 6 and 3. In the next, 124.425 means 124. Just write 124. Then we have to put 4 to 5. In the next, 7.76. Just write 7.76. In the next, 19.8. Just write 19, then point, then 8. In the next, 404.044 means 404. Just write 404. Then we have to put point and then we have to write as 044. In the next, 0.173, but before point here is 0, means we can say at 0.17, and in your last G, 0.015 means we have to write out as 0.015. Put 0 before point and our answer will be 0.015. Revise expanded form of decimals. First number is 47. 4 multiplied 10. 10 it adds 4 is at 10 plus 7 multiply 1. This will be expanded form for 47. If I want to write as 4.8, then our expanded form will be 4 multiply 1. Here adds 4 is at 1's place, 8 is at 10th place. So I can write 8 multiply 1 upon 10. In the next, if I want to write it as 23.72, then our answer will be 2 multiply 10 plus 3 multiply 1 plus 7 multiply 110 plus 2 multiply 1 upon 100, as it as 100 place. In the next question, 237.029. Just finish this number. If I want to write the expanded form of this number, we can write it as 2 multiply 100 and it adds 100 plus 3 multiply 10 as it has 10 place plus 7 multiplied 1 as it has 10's place. Now I can write in the point fractions. It has, there is no need to write for the expanded form of this 0. Just write down the expanded form for this 2. Here 2 multiplied, as 2 is as 100 place. So I have to write it as 2 multiply 1 upon 100, and in the last we have to write it as 9 multiply 1 upon 1000. This is expanded form of this decimal number. Please revise these numbers and let's multiply some decimal numbers. Let's first number as 3.2 multiply 5. As you want to multiply this number, such decimal number, just forget its point. Means we can understand this number as 32 multiply 5 and multiply the given number, means 560. After the multiplication, we know that real number is 3.2, not 32, means there is one decimal place in the given number. So just put 1 point from the right hand side, then our answer will be 16. Just take another number as 45.7 multiply 2.3. Just multiply the number as here are no points. Suppose that here are no points. So we have to multiply only as 457 multiply 23. Multiply the given number as usual 310. But we know that here are 2 points in the original number, means two decimal place in the original number. So just put the decimal points after 2 points, 2 decimal points from the right hand side. Just take another number as 2.75 multiply 5.3. We have to multiply this number. Then 5 3s are 15. We can consider this number as 275 and 53. So just multiply this number 5. We know that there are 2 decimal places in the 2.75 and 1 decimal place is this 5.3. So put 3 points, 3 decimal points from the right hand side. This will be our answer. Hence, in this question, if 1 centimeter on the map shows 200 kilometer on the ground, then 5.5 centimeter on the map equal how many kilometer on the ground? 1 centimeter on the map equal 200 kilometer on ground. For this ratio, 5.5 centimeter on the map will be 5.5 multiply 200 km on ground. We have to just multiply 5.5 into 200, just 2 multiplication of 200 multiply 5.5. Multiplication after forgetting the point is 11,000, but we know that here is 1 decimal point, so just put this decimal point in the last mean and the right hand side. Then our answer will be 1100 kilometer on ground. Just write down answer. In the next question, write using decimals. We have to write 28 km and 35 meter in decimal form. For this, we will write down 28 km like this. And for 35 meter, we put decimal point because after 28 km, it is meter. In 1 km, there are 1000 meter, means we have to write 35 meter in km. It will be written as 035 km. Means 35 meter can be written in km as 035 meter. Means in decimal form 28 km and 35 meter will be written as 28.035 km. Now from 85 kg and 245 gram, we will write 85 kg in full form is like that. After that we will put point because kg is completed, and we have to write 245 gram. As we know that 1 km equal 1000 gram, means for 245 gram in km we can write it as 245 kilogram. Because of 245 gram in kg will be 0.245 kilogram. In the next, color or shade the parts of the grid to represent 0.31. Grid having total small 100 squares, means we have to represent this grid with 0.31 color or shade. For this we have to color, means 31 squares, means this 10 squares, after this 10 squares, after this 10 squares, means 30 squares. We have colored 30 squares, and 1 additional this square, means to present 0.31 in this grid we have to color total 31 square out of this 100 squares. Students, this is our last revision question. Kajal's mother got 152 yuan as a salary. Find the salary in Indian rupees. Means Kajal's mother worked in China and yuan is a Chinese currency, and which cost in Indian rupees is 18.50 rupees for 1 yuan. Means cost of 1 yuan equal 18.14 Indian rupees. We have to just find out the cost of 152 yuan. Then cost of 152 yuan will be 152 multiplied by 18.14. We have to just multiply these two numbers, forgetting the point. Means we have to multiply these two numbers. And multiplication of these two numbers is but we know that this is not real number. In real number, here is a point, means point in two decimal places. So we have to also put this point here. Means our answer will be 2757 rupees 0.28, means 2757 rupees and 28 paise. This will be your answer. So students, write down answers. Our answer is 2757.28 rupees. Students, revise all these questions of our chapter number 10, tens and hundreds. Thank you very much.